wants to be happy, but the majority of us have no idea what to do about it. Should we focus more on making money? Should we focus on pursuing our passion? Or should we give up on all of our material possessions and become a monk in the mountains? Everyone appears to have a different take about happiness, so we're gonna give you an answer by showing you a proven formula that has been around for hundreds and hundreds of years for happiness. There's an island called Okinawa in Japan, and the people living there are known as the happiest people on earth. The Japanese have a concept called ikigai, which means a reason for being. For you to be happy, you need to spend your time doing something with ikigai. You need to have a reason for being here, but it is easier said than done. There are 4 components that you need to achieve ikigai, and without all of them, you never will truly be happy. The first component is that it needs to be something that you love. We all have things that makes us feel good, things that make us stop thinking for short periods of time and just be present and aware of what's happening right now in front of us. The more technical people will call this a flow state of mind. However, the majority of us call it love, and that is why so many of us enjoy things like arts, drawing, dancing, singing and reading, because it takes us into a state of pleasure where we feel great and we can focus on the task in front of us. That's why some of us fall in love with one another, because being with that person allows us to forget about all of the problems in our lives, at least momentarily. The second component for ikigai is a bit more complex. It needs to be something that the world truly needs. We all feel good when we know that we are needed in our community. Back in the days when we were hunters and gatherers, everyone played an important part and everyone was equally important. Whenever you put in work, you could see the immediate positive effects your work had on others. But this isn't the case nowadays. Most of us work in offices, being given small roles in a massive company where even if we work with everything we've got, it is hard to see any positive effect our work has on the rest of the world. It feels like our work isn't helping anyone. It feels like if we quit our job, no one would even care, as nothing would change. You need to find something that the world needs, something that you can do that will create a visibly positive effect on those around you. The third component for ikigai is that it needs to be something that can pay you well for now. Some of you are going to say something like, you don't need money to be happy, but let us be real. Money is what puts a roof over our head, food in our mouth and clothes on our body. Without enough money, we'll be spending the majority of our time stressed out. It is not sufficient to make some money. You need to be getting paid well enough to be living a comfortable life. If you're not making enough money to live without stress, then you'll never achieve true happiness. The fourth and final component you need to have to achieve an ikigai is that it needs to be something that you're good at. This does not mean that you need to be born with the talent. This means that you're able to put in the time and effort to get better at the skill. Overcoming of obstacles creates a very fulfilling feeling inside of you, which is why it's such a crucial component of ikigai. Now, the interesting thing about this Japanese formula is that you can tell where you are in life and what you need to work on by looking at the components. If all you have is something that you love and you're good at, then you have what's called a passion. People who fall into this category are all the aspiring artists. The main thing stopping you from being happy is the fact that you're not getting rewarded enough for your professions. Nobody seems to be noticing your skills. If you find yourself in this category, then you need to be focusing on marketing yourself so that you can start getting paid well. On the other hand, if you have something that you love and you can see how the world needs it, then you have what's called a mission. A lot of people who fall into this category are the activists who talk about things like saving the planet or going vegan. These are the people who want to see a positive change in the world, but unfortunately, they're not good enough at public speaking, persuasion, or writing to actually be able to convince people to join their cause. If you're in this category, then you need to focus on getting better at your craft, figuring out how to convince people instead of just stating your opinion loudly. Now, if you're someone who has something you get paid well for and are good at, and you have what most people in the world have, which is a profession, that boring 9-to-5 job that pays the bills. What's stopping you from happiness is the fact that you don't love your work or see how any of this can actually make a difference in the world. If you find yourself in this category, then you need to try out new things and figure out what is it that you truly love doing. And finally, if you're getting paid well and it's something that you know can help the world, then you have what's called a vocation. For example, professors get paid decently well and the job does positive effect in the world as they're raising the future generation, but they often fall into the habit of teaching the same things every year, which stalls the improvement. If you find yourself in this category, the main thing you need to make sure is to constantly keep getting better at your job and challenging yourself to improve. Finally, remember that in order to be happy with your life, you need to achieve the ikigai. You need to be spending your time doing something that you love, that you can get better at, that pays you well, and that the world needs. Without all 4 of these, you'll always feel like you're missing something inside of you. Well, that's all for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Explified. Also, do press the bell icon. Bye!